Hello everyone, welcome back to Cynthia's channel. Today we have something special. Today I'm going to show you a house that you can buy or invest in Rwanda and here in Kigali, because we are in Busanza, Kanombe, next to the airport, which is 10 or 20 minutes from the airport. So we are going to go inside. I'm going to show you guys in details how this beautiful house is, because yo, it's so beautiful. Like from outside you can see how beautiful it looks. See, very beautiful, and like it's quite finished well. As you can see from this wall, it's quite modern, and also the door, it looks so nice and very modern. So from here you go inside. This is the living room. You can see it's quite big. You can put your seats here, different seats, and also we have TV cabinet where you can put your TV, or you can put some decoration around here, the remote area and all of that. You can see it's quite big. Yes, if I say it's quite big, you can see. And from here we also have a dining area. As you can see, it's quite big. It can fit 6 to 8 seats here. And we also have where you can wash your hands. We have this, where you can wash your hands, and we also have a nice mirror here. And yeah, this is the dining area. Here you can use it as a bar. You can sit here, take some drinks, some wine, all of that. And you can see we have a nice countertop of the kitchen. See, yeah, this is the kitchen. This is inside the kitchen. If you love cooking, this is for you, because this place is so nice and it's so spacious. You can see we have a lot of cabinet space where you can put food, dishes, and all of that you can use. And we also have where you can put wines, anything you drink, you can put them here. You see, it's so big. And this one is a glass cabinet where you can put some glasses, nice ones. See, yes. And this is where you can put your stove. We have where the sink, see, and where you can put the fridge or something. And here you go outside, but first we are going to see the bedroom. This house is 4 bedroom, 3 bathrooms, and it have a terrace, a rooftop terrace. So this is one of the bedroom. It's quite big. This is the guest bedroom here, and from there we have the guest bathroom. As you can see, it has the shower head, which is handle held. We have a mirror here, and from here you see it's just right next to the the living room. So from here we're going to the other part of the house. Here we have one of the bedrooms. You can see this one goes to it has a light from the backyard. And this is another bedroom. These 2 bedrooms shares this one bathroom. You can see it's quite big. It also have handle hair shower head, and we have where you can put your towels, all of that. And also a mirror here. You can see this way goes to the outside kitchen, and where you can hang your clothes and all of that. So on this side we have the master bedroom, which is en suite, because this is the bathroom of the bedroom. Quite big. This one is so spacious. You can see, very big. And it has 2 type of shower heads, fixed one and handle held, where you can put your towels, all of that. And we also have a mirror with a cabinet where you can put your beauty stuffs, skincare things and all of that, where you can put your brush as you are brushing. Oh, this one is so nice. And we have this one, the sink. And from here we have the bedroom. Yes, the main bedroom. This is the master bedroom. You can see those lights on the headboard. It's so nice, guys. Oh my goodness. And look at the lighting, it's so nice. And from this bedroom we have a very big big wardrobe where you can put your folded clothes here, all of that. You can hang your clothes, you know. You see, it's so big. And the most beautiful thing is that it comes with a vanity table. Like here, you can sit here, do your beauty stuff, beautify yourself and all of that from here. And where you can put your lotions, your stuff. See? Yeah, this one is so nice, guys. This bedroom is so nice. And the funny thing is, you can go from here up to the rooftop terrace going up. It's a bit drizzling, but let me show you around the house first. Maybe we'll go up there later. So this master bedroom has the balcony of its own. As you can see from here, we have plants, you know, very nice ones. And we also have a very nice light here. You can see it's quite big though. Let me show you how big the master bedroom balcony is. It's so big, you can feel different seats, and yeah, it's quite nice. On the top we have the rooftop. As you can see, it's quite nice. And we also have small gardens outside that makes this place more beautiful and more worthy staying in. Guys, let me know in the comment section, do you think this house is worthy 165 million Rwandan francs? Let me know in the comment section. So we are going on the top, on the rooftop. It's a bit drizzling, but we don't care. Okay. So here we have the rooftop terrace. You can see it's quite big. It's quite big. Imagine you can put the umbrella here. Those umbrellas, outdoor umbrellas, you can put it here, sit here. You can host your friend, your family. You can have small parties here because it can house around 20 or 30 people. And we also have beautiful, you know, flowers around. And you can see the neighborhood and the area. That's the airport over there. It's kind of like 10 or 20 minutes from here. And another neighborhood of Kigali. Oh my goodness, it's drizzling, and the light, of course, everywhere. So we are back in the dining room. You see the light, it has a very nice light. And look at this one. Also, like, it's blinking, but you can see like the designs with that rope, and you know, it looks so nice. And we also have a very nice lighting here in the living room. You can see this chandelier is so nice. See, it's quite nice, guys. And we also have these small lights on the side. You know, the window there brings in natural light. See, very big. Can you imagine, guys? Let me know what you think about this place. You know, this property in Rwanda. Can you invest in this one? Can you buy this one? Let me know in the comment section. And guys, you know, let me know what you think about this place. See, this is the outside balcony. This is how it looks. You can stand here, enjoy the view of the, you know, the outside. And the good thing is this place is just few meters from the main road over there, which is around 50 meters maybe. Yeah, so it's quite near. And yeah, that's how it is, guys. So let me know what you think about this house in the comment section. And guys, remember to subscribe if you haven't, leave a positive comment, and also check out the information in the description box, because I'm going to leave the information where you can reach out, you know, to contact them, to ask about the property, and you know, all of that. I'm going to leave the information in the description box, so check them out. And also like this video, subscribe, and leave a positive comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Thank you so much, and I will see you in another one. Bye. Love you.